How long is purgatory? How long do we stay there? According to the intensity of desires will be the time and suffering entailed in their expurgation. There is no predetermined time for anybody. It depends on the individual. So the earlier you leave your low desires, the faster you move on. In the examples given, it will be no suffering to the drunkard to lose worldly possessions, unlike the miser or the materialistic person. If the drunkard had any property at all, he or she did not cling to them, but cared for the drink. Neither would it have caused the miser or the materialistic person any pain to have been deprived of intoxicants. It is safe to say that the miser would not have cared if there were not even a drop of liquor in this world. But he or she did care about the properties, and the drunkard cared about the drink. And so the unerring law, the law that never goes wrong, gives to each that which was needed to purge him or her of unholy desires and evil habits. This is the law that is symbolized in the skeleton cycle of the reaper and the hourglass. And we talked about that in our earlier presentation. It is the law of cause and effect which rules all things in the three worlds, in every realm of nature, physical, moral, and mental. That law works. Everywhere it works inevitably, adjusting all things, restoring the equilibrium wherever even the slightest action has been brought about by a disturbance. The law of cause and effect works. The result of every action may be manifested immediately, or it may be delayed for years or for lives, but sometime, somewhere, just and equal retribution will be made. The law of cause and effects works absolutely impersonally. It doesn't care about who you are. All is a result of the invariable laws of nature. That is how God made it.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.